that I should really appreciate the teachers and the coordinators, I would say. There is a coordinator, she does not focus on academic part of it, because I was worried like how he is going to cope up. Probably he's being studied all his schooling outside and coming back to India, it is really difficult for him. But the care and the support of that particular coordinator, I don't know if I can mention the name. Her name is Nupur. She was really very caring. So she took care of his mental part also, not only the academic part, mentally how difficult it for him to cope up. So there were a lot of challenging places for him where he did not know anybody. He had friends who had made for 8 years, and then coming here, like to get to friends. So she made sure that he got a buddy with him, along with him, to help him all along in the school, to accustomize himself to the surroundings also, like where is the library, where is the music room, where is the yoga classroom, everything, all that, that initial period was very difficult. But truly commendable job from the support staffs as well as the teachers and the coordinators. They made sure that he did not feel left out, which is why the transition was easy, I would say. Otherwise, it is very difficult. You have learned some other language, because he learned some European language there, and then coming here to learn another language, looking at the cultural differences here, everything was very different for him. But they really, really helped him mentally, I would say, more than physically and academically.